Whatever you do, make sure you live a life you can afford. Forgot about impressing people. You live in a one room, you are wearing cheap clothes. That's how you can afford. Even people, they can say you are very cheap, you are a poor person, but you have got a peace of mind. Forgot about impressing people. People are living a fake life, especially on social media. They want to impress people that they have got a good house, and they are booking some of the lodges, hotels, because they want to impress people on social media. It doesn't make sense, because at the end of the day, you have got stress of money. You want to impress people for things you don't have. You are forcing yourself to go to the shops to take a credit of expensive clothes because you want to impress people. You have to check your pocket. If your pocket, especially in shops, guys, there are cheap shops and expensive shops. So sometimes go to a shop you can afford to buy clothes, even to buy food. Don't buy food to expensive shops. You have to go to the shops you can afford. So sometimes when you want to impress people, you can live a fake life. Other people, they are booking cars. Guys, imagine you book a car because you want to drive, you want to show people on social media that you have got a car, especially on Instagram. You want to show people that you are living a good life, but you know that at the back you are not okay. It's not good. Sometimes you have to think wisely before you act your things. You want to impress people on social media, because people on social media, they don't care, guys. They don't care. You understand? So you have to live the life that you can afford as a human being. If you are staying in one room, it's how you can afford. Don't, like, maybe we are faking life or what you want to impress people, buying expensive clothes, expensive shoes, but you don't have money. Want to impress people, buying expensive car, but you know that your salary is not equal to buy fuel on that car. You took a car on credit, but it is difficult for you to 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 pay that car. So I think it's better to live a life you can afford. Buy the car you know that you can afford to buy fuel. You understand? Because sometimes when we are, sometimes pressure. Sometimes we have got pressure about people, what they say, that I don't have a car, I don't have a big house, what. No, a time you can, but now you have to do things you can afford at that time.